All right, so if you have this kind of stubborn voicemail notification on your Android phone that doesn't go away no matter how much you clear it, there is one trick that often clears it for good so it stops bugging you. To do that, we're going to go to Settings first and then scroll down to Apps. If your phone doesn't show all the apps by default, we're going to tap See All Apps here. Then, sometimes depending on your phone, you might need to tap the three dots up here and Show System Apps as well. Then you're going to scroll down and find your phone app on the list. Mine's here, so I'll tap into that. And then, within the app settings, we're going to go to Storage and Cache. And here, we're going to tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. This completely resets the notification panel without deleting your actual contacts or call history. Even after you restart your phone, the notification will stay gone unless someone leaves a fresh message. And that's how you get rid of stubborn voicemail notifications on Android. Click that like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.